Today we are going to talk about quadratic equation. So first I'll write a quadratic equation. So a x squared plus b x plus c is the quadratic equation or the general quadratic equation. Here is one thing that we need to consider, that a cannot be equal for 0. So normally we know that any equations, normal linear equations, they have one solution, but for quadratic equation there are two solutions and we call them roots alpha and beta. So I'm not going to talk about them, just I'm going to find an equation to get the roots of a quadratic equation. Here first I'm again writing this equation here in order to prove that, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The first thing that I'm going to do here is dividing whole equation by a. I'm going to divide whole equation by a. That is my first part. Here a and a will cancel out. Then finally I'm getting the equation as x squared plus b over ax plus c over a. So then what I'm going to do is I'm taking this c over a or constant into the other side. Then I'm getting x squared plus b over a times x is equal minus c over a. Then what I can do for this one, I need to get a complete square bracket. So therefore here I'll write it in here, x plus b over 2a complete square. If I use that, if I solve this one, I am getting x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared. So in order to get rid of b squared over 4 squared, I am reducing it from this one, b squared 4a squared. Already in this side we have minus c over a. So what I can do here, I can take this into the other side. So finally I am getting x plus b over 2a complete squared. Here I'm taking this into the other side. I'm getting b squared over 4a squared as positive because it's negative in the other side, minus c over a. First thing that I'm going to do here is I'm taking the common denominator and solve this one. B squared is minus 4ac, so we are giving this a different name called discriminant, and here then I'm getting 4a squared, and this side I'm getting x plus b over 2a, b over 2a. Then I need to get rid of this squared value in order to get the answer for x. So x plus, I'm taking the square root of the both side of the equation, then the square will cancel out. Then finally I'm getting this as square root b squared minus 4ac. 4a squared square root means 2a, and actually here since this is square root value we have to use plus or minus, and then finally we can write answer for x. X is equal minus b over 2a plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. 2a is common for both terms, therefore finally I am writing the proper equation to find x in different color. In here x is equal for minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the equation to find the roots of a quadratic equation.